Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna make uh potato boat. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. I have 4 potatoes, cheese, shredded cheese, bacon. I uh slice it into very small pieces, butter, black pepper, salt. Okay, to start, I'm going to poke this one, the potatoes, with the fork like this. I washed these potatoes already, guys. Okay, so next, I'm gonna put in the microwave for 1 minute. We're gonna do it too first. Okay, put in the microwave. It over 1 minute also in the other side. Okay, it's done this one. We're gonna slice it, guys. Oh, it's super hot. Like that. Ooh. And then, uh, I just use knife. And then we're gonna put butter. Just small butter, guys, because the tomato is not super big. Our tomatoes potato is not big. So with the potatoes like this, and then the butter. Okay, butter here, and then butter here, and then we're gonna put pepper. Mm, Get okay, put pepper, and then we're gonna add cheese. Before I forget, just a little salt also. Mm, just little. Okay, and then we're gonna add bacon. We're gonna put it here because we're gonna let the one melt the cheese. Okay. Uy, super hot. Ooh. Need some more. Mm. Boats. Potato boat, guys. Okay, we put it here with a second. Guys. Okay. That one is very yummy, guys. Oh, it's very yummy. The cheese is melted because it's still hot, and the butter, and then the salt and the pepper. Okay, it's super yummy, guys. I wanna taste. Mm, mm, it's very yummy. I don't wanna taste a big, guys, because uh, I don't need to eat so much carbohydrates, so that's why. But this is very good. Okay, it's very yummy. That's our potato boat. Okay. Okay, guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at D Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, D Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram, and to all my accounts, the YouTube, TikTok, and in my profile, guys. Okay, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and unsupporters, thank you for watching.